فأزلهما الشيطان عنها فأخرجهما مما كانا فيه وقلنا اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين.
But Satan caused both of them to deflect from obeying our command by tempting them to the tree and brought them out of the state they were in. And we said, get down all of you henceforth, each of you is an enemy of the other, and on earth you shall have your abode and your livelihood for an appointed time.
فتلقى آدم من ربه كلمات فتاب عليه إنه هو التواب الرحيم.
Thereupon Adam learned from his Lord some words and repented, and his Lord accepted his repentance, for he is much relenting, most compassionate.
قلنا اهبطوا منها جميعا فإما يأتينكم مني هدى فمن تبع هداي فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
We said, get you down from here all of you, and guidance shall come to you from me. Then whoever will follow my guidance need have no fear, nor shall they grieve.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
But those who refuse to accept this guidance and reject our signs as false are destined for the fire, where they shall abide forever.
يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي أوف بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون.
Children of Israel, recall my favor which I had bestowed on you, and fulfill your covenant with me, and I shall fulfill my covenant with you, and fear me alone.